How to make a TikTok video. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you make a TikTok video. So let's get started. First, as you have to just open the TikTok application with your account. After you open TikTok, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, to make a video, you'll have to just tap on plus icon at the bottom. After here, you'll be able to find a lot of option or filter from where you can make a TikTok video. Simply you can choose the duration like from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. Simply select the duration. After that, select your filter like swiping left. From here, you can select the filters. After that, simply you have to tap on record of video. After you record a video, simply tap on down icon at the bottom right. After here, you can as usual edit it like you can add any text here, you can add a sticker also. After you're done all of the editing from here, tap on next at the bottom right. After that, simply tap on post at the bottom right. And that's it. This is the way to make and post a TikTok video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.